Hey guys, Cash Shoppers here, and today we're going to be going over how to test the waters of your axolotl tank. Now, I prefer using the Freshwater Master Test Kit because it is very helpful in terms of knowing where your pH, ammonia, nitrites, and nitrates are at. So I'd highly recommend using it to test the waters of your axolotl tank. Now let's get into how to use it. Now inside you will get this, and this will be very helpful. You will see that ours is kind of labeled of where is the good zone and all that, but we'll get into that later. But let's say you want to test your nitrates. You may notice that it will say bottle number 1. Now what you want to do on ones that say like bottle number 1 and 2, in which you will expect this out of stuff like testing the ammonia bottles will also have labels saying bottle 1 and 2. Now we'll go into how that is used. Okay, as you can see, I already took the lid off to get the water, but what you're gonna need to do is you're gonna want to grab one of these test tubes, cylinders, whatever. Then you want to get water up to that line. Now, I don't know about you, but for me, it does take a while to get it to that line. Right now that we have it next to the line, to set it down. Alright, now using the ammonia test bottle number 1, it will say on the side, add 8. Now what that means is you're going to want to put 8 drops in it. Now let's test it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now that 8 drops have been put in here, want to set it aside for now. Grab your ammonia test bottle number 2, open it. Now this one will also say add 8 drops. Now we're going to do the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, once that both test solutions have been added, you want to add on the lid that came with these little tubes. Make sure it's on tight, and then shake it. And then over time, you'll see that the colors will start to change, and that will mean basically how it is done. Now we will go into that. Okay, well, now after doing the ammonia test, we have the test over here, and you will notice that it is yellow. Now, yellow means that it is at 0, the ppm. Now that is good in terms of ammonia. And although while ammonia has to have 2 bottles to test, you may notice on stuff like pH and high range pH, it's just the standard test solution, which means there's no other bottle needed. You just need to add 3 for the normal pH. Now if you're doing the high range pH test, you only need to add 5. There's no other bottle needed for the testing pH. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and if you have any questions about axolotls or tank setup, let me know in the comments below, and if you want to, please subscribe and it would help me out a lot. Thank you again for watching.